Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online video classes. Dear students, I am here with class 7th mathematics, chapter 2nd fractions and decimals with exercise 2.2. Dear students, first 5 question of this exercise has been already done in our previous one lecture, and today we are proceeding from question number 6. So question number 6 is given here, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, so here 6 parts are given. Let us solve a part of this question. So a part is given 3 into 5 1 upon 5. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ओके, 3 इंटू 5 5 द 25 प्लस 1 26 upon 5. Okay, and then we will multiply 3 with 26. 26 3 ja 6 3 ja 18, 8 carry over 1, 3 or 6 plus 1 7, 78 upon 5. And now we have to represent or express it as mixed fraction, so we will convert. We have to divide 78 by 5. We can divide it in rough also. 78 by 5, 15 5 just 75 and 3 remainder. So this 15 will become whole number as 15, and this remainder 3 will become numerator and 5 will be as it is. Okay, this is the answer. Let us solve one more part number F. Okay, it is given here F part as 3 2 upon 5 into 8. Similarly here we have to multiply. We have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 multiply 8, and it will be equal to 17 8 is 136 upon 5. And now we can convert this into in term of mixed fraction, as we have to divide 136 by 5. 5 2 is 10, 36, 5 7 is 35. Okay, so it will be here 27 1 upon 5 answer. Right, now we have given here question number 7, find 1 upon 2 of 2 3 upon 4 and 4 2 upon 9, and 5 upon 8 of 3 5 upon 6 and 9 2 upon 3. I am going to solve here A part of question number 7. B part you will do by yourself. Question 7 A part, 1 upon 2 of first is 2 3 upon 4, and second is 4 2 upon 9. So first part 1 upon 2 of 2 3 upon 4 means 1 upon 2 multiply. We have to convert this into improper fraction. So 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11 upon 4, and now we will multiply numerator with numerator. 11 1 is 11 and 4 2 is 8, and we can also express it as in term of mixed fraction. So it will be 1 3 upon 8. Right, this is the answer. Second part is given 1 upon 2 of 4 2 upon 9. It will be equal to 1 upon 2 multiply 4 2 upon 9, and we will convert it into improper fraction. So 1 upon 2 into 4 9 ja 36, 4 9 ja 36 plus 2 38 upon 9, and we will multiply it as 38 upon 18. Now we can express it as in term of mixed fraction. It will be 2 2 upon 18, because 18 to the 36 plus 2 38 upon 18. Okay, this is the answer. Right, now we have to solve last question of this exercise, which is very important. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Okay, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? And what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So question is very important. विद्या एंड प्रताप पिकनिक के लिए जाते हैं. उनकी मदर ने उन्हें एक पानी की बोतल दी जिसमें 5 लीटर वाटर है हमारे पास. विद्या ने कितना वाटर कंज्यूम किया है? 2/5 ऑफ द वाटर. प्रताप कंज्यूम द रिमेनिंग वाटर. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट केस हाउ मच वाटर डिड विद्या ड्रिंक, means amount of water, and what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink, right? So let us solve this question. Question number 8, last question of exercise 2.2. Amount of water in bottle is equal to 5 liter, is equal to 5 liters. Vidya consumed, first part we will solve. Vidya consumed 2/5 water is equal to 2/5 of water. ठीक है, okay. Therefore first case, the quantity of water did Vidya drink is what? It will be 2/5 of water is how much? Quantity of water is, amount of water is 5 liters. Okay, so we can cancel here 5 by 5, and the required water which Vidya drink is 2 liters, right? Now second part is what? Second part is here, required fraction of the total quantity of water. Required fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap drink. It will be equal to 1 minus the amount of water which Vidya drink. 1 minus 2/5, it will be, we will solve it as LCM will be 5, and it will be 5 minus 2, and the required fraction will be 3/5. It is the required answer, right? So dear students, you have to solve each and every part of question 6th and 7th and also 8th part. Practice more and more, and if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me on WhatsApp or Google Meet. That's all.